Again, that's Wirtz's finish. That's a goal.
Talent knows no bounds. Paulinho did well. Wirtz on the move for Leverkusen.
He's not just a wonder kid anymore. Florian Wirtz is football's rising mastermind, a tactical anomaly operating with maturity far beyond his years. In a world where space equals power, Wirtz rules the pitch like a chessboard. Today, let's break down his game zone by zone, analyze his evolution, and explore why Liverpool should make him their next marquee signing. To understand Wirtz, we first need to understand the pitch as zones. In modern football, space is everything. Zones starting with 1, 2, 3 and so on till zone 18. Defensive third zone involves 6 zones. Midfield third involves 6 and final third also involves 6 zones. Wirtz is a type of player who usually plays in zone 14, attacking middle third zone. Zone 14, the area just outside the opponent's box, is the most dangerous. The half spaces allow for diagonal passing lanes and are ideal for attacking midfielders. Wide corridors stretch defenses and support overlapping runs. Most playmakers operate in one or two of these. Wirtz, he moves through all of them like water. Under Xabi Alonso, Florian Wirtz plays a hybrid role. He is not just a central attacking midfielder. He drops into midfield, links play like a deep-lying 10, drifts into the left space to overload flanks, exploits zone 14 with clever positioning, especially on the counter. In Alonso's 3-4-2-1, he plays as one of the two attacking mids behind the striker, often combining with Frimpong, Grimaldo and Boniface. He doesn't wait for the ball, he seeks it, creates triangles and pulls defenders out of his position. In this clip, Florian Wirtz drops deep into the central third of his own half to receive the ball. Before the ball even reaches him, he begins scanning the pitch, making multiple head checks to assess his options. This pre-scan allows him to anticipate pressure, identifying passing lanes, and dictate the tempo of the next phase. It's a small moment, but it reveals a midfielder who thinks one step ahead, not just receiving the ball, but already planning his next two moves. Watch how Wirtz positions himself in zone 40, right at the heart of the attacking third. He is surrounded by 4 defenders closing off his passing lanes and cutting off any obvious attacking pattern. But instead of panicking, he remains composed, executes a quick turn, and initiates a sharp 1-2 to break the defensive shape. Within seconds, he is on goal, scoring a stunning finish that turns a static build-up into a moment of brilliance. Here, Wirtz finds himself tightly marked by 3 opponents as he receives the ball. His first touch is deliberately heavy, drawing in the pressing players before he swiftly turns with impressive balance and acceleration. With one explosive movement, he shrugs off 2 of them, breaks through the pressure line. In terms of style, Wirtz mirrors David Silva for his low center of gravity and positional sense, Kai Havertz in his younger Leverkusen days for movement and grace, Thomas Muller with his knack for finding space and influencing play without needing the ball constantly, and Jamal Musiala due to their shared German roots, dribbling in tight spaces and creative output. So how does Florian Wirtz fit into Liverpool? Florian Wirtz combines elite progression, chance creation, and efficient dribbling with a strong goal threat. He is not only a playmaker, but a well-rounded attacker capable of influencing all phases in the final third. In my opinion, he will be greatly suited to playing the left attacking mid role, playing between the lines, and combining with the fullbacks. Wirtz's ability to play anywhere across the front line would add an extra layer of flexibility to Slott's tactical setup, allowing him to rotate his attacking options during and between games without any decrease in quality. Whether dropping into pockets against deep blocks or pulling wide to evade his marker or carrying the ball upfield single-handedly, Wirtz can do a bit of everything. Florian Wirtz isn't the future, he's already reshaping the present, a tactical technician, a special genius, and a born leader. If Liverpool are serious about their next phase, Wirtz isn't just a good signing, he's the right one.